following the death of Akashdeep, his wife Bharati Gupta has given a statement to the police. In her statement, his wife has said that as soon as Akashdeep went to the washroom, she heard a sound. When she checked, she actually found Akashdeep lying on the floor. They rushed him to the Deen Bandhu Hospital in Ashiyan, where he was declared dead. So clearly now we can see that the wife has given a statement to the police, and in that statement she has stated that when he actually was in the washroom, that's when she heard a sound and found him lying unconscious. Siddharth, now we are learning of the wife's statement which she has given to the police. Could you give us some more details on that, please?
Yes, the police said that we wait the postmortem report and the DRDO Akash Gupta Brahmat Mujul Uttar Pradesh after sudden health collapse. The reason of in primarily that the health collapse reason, and he was taken to Lok Bandhu hospital. We go to the Lok Bandhu hospital. We know the doctor. Doctor said that the first the heart attack come, but the family members says to police that his health collapse. He was taken in Lok Bandhu hospital with interior reports of suggesting of heart attack. The exact cause date will know after the postmortem. The police said that Visra was also present. After Visra report come, that everything is clear. Then Shivani, we wait the postmortem report. After we wait the police also and family wait the Visra report. Yes, Shivani.
Right, Siddharth, we have some more inputs on this story. Please stay on with us. With breaking news coming in, according to a police report, the cause of Akashdeep's death is unclear in the post-mortem report. Police further informed that they have preserved the viscera samples for further investigation. Siddharth, we are getting to know that even though the post-mortem report says that the reason for the death is unclear, the doctors first stated that it was a heart attack. That's what you are learning. Please do inform us of more details.
In Lok Bandhu hospital, in front of camera, then anyone not says to anything. But off the camera, the doctor says that the reason of death is heart attack. He says that the first we check his heartbeat is so fast. This reason primarily he says that the reason of death is heart attack. But the police also postmortem report comes. The postmortem report is not clear. The today update the police after then the Shivani the preserve the Visra report. After Visra report that everything is clear, and the police and family also according to the postmortem report everything is not clear.